Hey, Bob Carr here. Another day, another life day of a contractor. How you doing, sir?
I'm well. How are you?
Good. And what's your first name, sir? State your status here.
Jim.
Your name is Jim, and you happen to pull up to our location today.
Yes.
It is your birthday.
No.
When was your birthday?
Tomorrow.
And how old will you be?
12.
12 years old, and your birthday is tomorrow. See all the characters we meet on job sites.
I've actually been told to come out here and document you because we had a case of a wild animal.
A wild animal? Wild animal out here on the job site. Hey, let's go take a look.
Okay.
Felix?
Having a good day, Bob?
Huh?
Are you having a good day?
So-so.
Well, I'm here now, so you should have a good day.
Should have a very good day. Claudia, how you doing? Doing good? Doing good?
Yeah.
Doing good? Huh? How you doing, sir? Everything good?
Yeah, you're gonna take pictures?
I was gonna take pictures of you and put you on GQ magazine.
All right.
That be okay?
Yeah. No.
GQ?
I'm still.
A few moments later.
We're on a job site in Crofton, Maryland today, and we're performing a VIP lawn sprinkler upgrade. We're upgrading all the sprinkler heads, all the nozzles, the controller, rain sensor. Have this system up to speed. It'll be just like it was brand new back in 2004. It'll be all updated, ready to roll. Spring's on its way. This system would be ready for the summer. Life of a contractor. Come on, let's take a look what this guy's doing. Wilbur, what are you doing in here?
I'm gonna replace the controller.
Gonna replace this lawn sprinkler controller?
Yes,
This
sir.
is original.
Yes.
This is a Rainbird.
Rainbow,
Yep. 12. And you're gonna put up a Hydro-Wise 12.
hydro-wise controller with the phone.
Yep. Yep, yep, yep.
I'm gonna replace the rain sensor.
Yep. So it'll be all ready to roll.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Good deal. Good deal, sir.
One eternity later.
All right, I'm gonna head up to Bel Air, see what Rudy and Jeff are doing. See, you need some help later
Yes.
on the drainage job?
Yep.
Okay.
Drew was out doing an irrigation system and saw there was a drainage problem.
Okay.
So the guy wants drainage now.
Okay.
Took all his pictures. He just needs a price.
Okay. I'll price it up for you.
Thank you, sir.
All right, we're gonna head up to Bel Air, Maryland, and take a look at a lighting job we got going on. Come along with us, and we'll take a look what's going on up here. Installing a brand new outdoor lighting system. We'll get this in the ground. Come on, let's take a look. Hey, Rudy.
Yes, sir.
How are you?
Good.
Getting this all in?
Yeah.
It's a lot easier than going out back.
Yeah, that is the one we already do because remember.
Yeah, no, that's what the homeowner said. That's what he wanted us to do here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And,
He didn't want us to bore underneath his driveway. He said, go ahead and use that up front. I said, okay.
Yeah, if we can go, we already got a good party on the back.
Yeah.
And
No, no, that's what he said. He could take advantage of that and use it.
Yeah.
Because that's not typically how we do work. But in
Yeah.
this case, we had to because that's what he wanted to do.
Yeah, that's
I'm
what
all
I
for
wanted
that.
to do.
It works. Cover it up.
Yeah.
And it's secure. It doesn't bother anybody. And it's tight and it's out of the way.
Yeah, that works.
Every once in a while, you got to improvise and with what we got to deal with and what the homeowner would like.
Yeah.
Because he's one paying us, right?
Yeah.
I'm not paying you. He is. Right?
Yeah.
How you doing, Miss Jersey? Good? Be a nice system, huh?
Oh yeah. The last lights are here.
Yep. Back, Rudy says really tight with the patio.
Yeah, they got a lot of stuff going on back
Good deal. Life of a contractor. Life of a contractor. You never know what every day is going to be about, so you get out, get her done. That wraps up another episode of Life of a Contractor. We'll talk to you soon. If you like this, like, subscribe, and we'll talk to you in the next episode. Talk to you soon.